In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay with Bitcoin on Cash App. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can use Bitcoin inside of Cash App. You can buy, sell, transfer it to other people, transfer it to external wallets, and all of this can be done using the latest version of Cash App. When you open the app from the home screen, you can tap on USD and switch over to Bitcoin. Or alternatively, if you go into the Money tab, you will also see the Bitcoin option here. So you will have savings, tax filling, Bitcoin, stocks, and so on. All that you have to do is choose Bitcoin from all of these options. By selecting Bitcoin, you will now be able to manage your Bitcoin balance. If you already have an amount in Bitcoin, then all that you have to do is type out how much you want to send to someone using the numpad, just like you would if you are trying to send someone US dollars. And by tapping the send option here after you input the amount, you will be able to choose who you are sending it to. So you can either use a name, a cash tag if they are registered within Cash App, of course, or a Bitcoin address from an external wallet, for example, Binance, Coinbase, and so on. You can add a note here, and you can even choose from your contacts. Alternatively, if you go into more details about Bitcoin, you will see the option to buy, sell, and then transfer it, just like I showed it now. If you don't have any Bitcoin on Cash App, then you will have to buy it first, so choose buy, and you will see the current exchange rate in US dollars. So you will be able to choose the amount that you want in Bitcoin or the amount that you want to spend in USD. Regardless of how you choose to approach this, you will be able to receive the exact amount in Bitcoin. Then once you have the Bitcoin, you are free to sell it in the future if the price increases, decreases, or you can transfer it elsewhere by choosing this arrow icon. And you can also choose the option to receive Bitcoin inside of Cash App. So tap Deposit Bitcoin. This will display your Bitcoin address, which you can use in conjunction with other exchange services to transfer Bitcoin into Cash App. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay with Bitcoin on Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.